In this video, we are walking through a luxury condo in downtown Boston, Massachusetts. This 3-bed, 3-bath home is seated 52 floors high at the Winthrop Center residences at 240 Devonshire Street. If you're not familiar with the building, Winthrop Center was just recently completed in 2023, standing at 691 feet, making it the second tallest residential building in the city of Boston. I'm going to take you on a showing of this amazing unit, discussing features, finishes, appliances, and more. Then we will look at the phenomenal amenity package available to residents in this building. As always, feel free to message, email, or call me anytime if you'd like to come see this home in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general. My contact information is here on screen and in the description below. If you're a returning viewer to my channel, you may have already seen the 2-bedroom unit I filmed here at Winthrop Center. The one we are in today has a slightly different layout with 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms spread across just a little under 2,000 square feet, with 1 valet garage parking space. This layout is priced at $4,475,000, only $50,000 more than the 2-bedroom I filmed. The unit has a spacious living and dining area with floor-to-ceiling windows displaying views of downtown Boston, Beacon Hill, part of Boston Common, the Seaport, and Boston Harbor. This video was filmed on a rainy day, so the visibility is slightly compromised. However, usually you have pristine, unobstructed northeast and northwest views, as well as excellent natural light in this home. This corner residence includes 11-foot 6-inch ceiling heights, engineered wide plank oak floors, and recessed LED lighting. The living room is great for entertaining guests or relaxing in a functional space that puts every square foot to use. There are many ways this home could be configured with different furniture and positioning. This residence is currently staged and could be sold with furnishings included. As mentioned, this home is priced at $4,475,000 with an HOA fee of $3,250 monthly. This fee includes heat, hot water, gas, water, master insurance, security, maintenance, management, valet, and all amenity spaces. This home features a high-end, chef-rated kitchen, perfect for those who do a lot of cooking. The appliance package is superb with Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. The Studio Becker cabinetry affords plenty of space for storing items. Going into specifics, included is a Wolf induction cooktop, a Wolf wall oven and microwave, a Sub-Zero fridge and freezer, as well as a Sub-Zero wine cooler. The kitchen island is great for casual meals or drinks, and of course is fantastic for prepping and cooking. The marble on the island is sourced from quarries in Greece. Right off of the living room is a secondary bedroom suite with the ability to fit a full or queen-sized bed as well as a dresser or desk. There is also a large closet. This room has east-facing views of the financial district, waterfront, and harbor. The bathroom has heated tile floors with a glass frameless walk-in shower and a back and front lit LED floating mirror above the vanity. This is one of 317 homes here at the Winthrop Center Tower. The building is about 45% sold out at this time and features 1 to 4 bedroom options, ranging between $1.4 and $14 million. This is the 5th residential project completed by Millennium Partners, the developer of this building, known for their work on other premier full-service Boston condo buildings, including the Ritz-Carlton, One Charles, Millennium Place, and Millennium Tower. Currently, this residence has one of the bedrooms staged as a home office. This space could be kept as an office, changed into a media room, or of course used as a bedroom. The floor-to-ceiling operable window panel faces towards the Seaport District and South Boston. This room could fit a full or queen-sized bed as well as a desk, dresser, or chair. However, the way it is currently staged makes the most sense as there is no closet in this room. Stepping into the primary suite, you have an entryway with the bathroom to the right, a closet directly in front, and the bedroom to the left. This room could fit a queen or king-sized bed as well as a desk, dresser, and chairs. Windows also display floor-to-ceiling views of the waterfront and seaport. As you may have noticed, there are numerous smart home technology thermostat systems throughout this residence, with several heating and cooling zones to ensure personalized temperature comfort. Winthrop Center is special in that it is one of the most eco-friendly condo buildings in the US, which aids in keeping owner HOA fees low in comparison to other luxury buildings in the city. The primary also features a large walk-in closet with automatic LED lighting, which was custom made by Studio Becker cabinetry exclusively for the residences at Winthrop Center. Additional storage can be found in the foyer of this home. The primary bathroom is spa-like with heated Italian marble floors and accent tile. There is a waterworks tub designed exclusively for the Millennium residences at Wintrhop Center. The floating dual vanity features waterworks fixtures and studio backer cabinetry. The primary bath also has an enclosed toilet and a walk-in frameless glass shower. The first 35 floors at Wintrhop Center are dedicated to Class A office space, home to some of the most prominent companies in Boston. On the first floor is a food court and event space called The Connector, which is open to the public with weekly events and numerous food and beverage options. Residents have direct elevator access to this space, and it is a great spot for meeting with friends or getting work done. I will take you through here at the end of the tour. The Millennium residences at Wintrhop Center are propelled by La Vie, a signature program created by Millennium Partners. This unique, immersive, and exclusive social calendar connects residents with specially curated Boston experiences inspired by fitness, food, travel, art, and culture. The monthly La Vie calendar offers events for residents to go on Boston adventures and excursions. Some examples of off-site trips include going to the Opera or Fenway Park for the home opener. Another main hit among residents are the weekly fireside chats in the lounge, featuring prominent thought leaders, performers, and other notable people. Wintrhop Center undoubtedly has the best amenity package out of any building in Boston, with over 56,000 square feet of amenity space. The heart of these spaces are in the club, which is a floor of luxury amenities designed exclusively for residents. Here, residents can swim, relax on the terrace, watch movies, play games, and much more. Designed to be an extension of owners' private living space that's serene and social. In the lounge, a bartender can make a drink, and the private 5-star chef can make dinner with a full menu of options. This is also a great space for working from home or meeting friends. This space seems to always have residents working on their computers or reading. 2 private, landscaped outdoor terraces float high above it all, with stunning views of Back Bay, the Charles River, Boston Harbor, and far beyond. The grandly appointed West Terrace and more intimate South Terrace acts as a porch for residents, offering a place to relax or entertain in the sky. The club's fully equipped game room is a go-to for poker night, billiards, or shuffleboard. This is also a great place to gather and watch sporting events with other owners, featuring 2 TVs. This space also connects to the outdoor terrace with even more seating and dining areas. Right next to the game room is the movie theater, complete with surround sound and movie theater chairs. It is a great place to watch sporting events or watch a movie with family and friends. The room can be reserved ahead of time to make sure it's available when needed. Every week, there are dedicated movie nights organized via the La Vie social calendar. Staff provides food and beverages, while owners get to sit back and enjoy a movie screening with fellow residents. Another amazing amenity is the 75-foot lap pool, which is one of only 2 competition-length indoor pools in central Boston. Surrounded by floor-to-ceiling windows of downtown Boston with unique finishes, this is by far the nicest residential swimming pool in the state. In this space, there is also a jacuzzi for relaxing. The fitness and wellness options at Wintrhop Center are unmatched. The gym off the pool is one of 3 spaces residents have access to. This space isn't even the nicest one and already has many other Boston condo buildings beat, with numerous pieces of high-end weight and cardio equipment. There are fresh towels and water bottles available as well. The main gym space is the FLX Fitness Center for residents only, located on the club level, which is a beautifully, fully equipped facility staffed by experts dedicated to well-being. A cool feature in this gym is a tranquil, no-shoes studio with mats for a private or group yoga class, guided meditation, or mixed martial arts. Residents can utilize the on-site trainers or follow their own programs. Top trainers, nutritionists, and other staff members will enlighten and elevate wellness regimens with special demonstrations and lectures on all things pertaining to health and wellness. These include everything from bettering a lifting technique, improving a golf swing, eating right, or preventing disease. Residents also have access to an additional 4,500 square foot fitness facility in the collective, located on the 3rd floor. There is a kilter board as well as additional weight and cardio equipment. Here, residents can join a group session or lift on their own. In this gym section, there is a soundproofed group fitness studio where coaches help clients explore training plans that require more space, as well as lead bar, boot camp, Pilates, and other group classes. On the third floor is a co-working space, Winthrop Center's unrivaled 25,000 square foot collective office club. It is a great place to meet for breakfast, eat lunch, or get work done. There is a coffee bar and lounge that offers healthy food and beverage options. The fully equipped, unparalleled meeting spaces and amenities are ideal for those working from home. On the ground floor with the office spaces is the Connector, which is a great place to network or relax. The Connector is part living room and part performance space, which is vibrant and lively. Residents can come down for lunch and catch a TED Talk, ballet performance, art exhibit, fashion show, or other exclusive events featuring the best arts and culture Boston has to offer. Lastly, a not so flashy yet very important detail is how quick and efficient the valet service is. Residents pull into the garage and park in one of the bays in front of the valet office and head to the elevator directly to their homes. When a vehicle is requested, the valet will back it into one of the spaces for quick departure. This system is unique in that residents are protected from the outdoor elements when entering or exiting their vehicle, as the drop-off is underground. This service is 24/7 and extremely quick. Residents also have the ability to borrow a Tesla for a day, which can be requested via the app. Overall, this is one of my favorite condo buildings in Boston. The amenity spaces here are simply unrivaled. Units are efficient and functional, yet still luxurious. Again, if you'd like to come tour this building in person, have questions about Boston or real estate in general, you can contact me anytime. I am always happy to help and love working with people who find me through my YouTube channel. Whether you already live in Boston or are relocating here for school or work, I'm ready to assist with your unique needs and situation. Check the description to book a meeting, email, or call me, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate and luxury condo buildings.